तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल।
ओके, हाउ टू अप्रोच कमांड टास्क। अच्छा देखो, सेलेक्ट सबऑर्डिनेट बेस्ड ऑन देयर कॉम्पिटेंस टू डू द टास्क। अगर हल्का आदमी चाहिए कहीं चढ़ के जाने के लिए तो हल्का आदमी, हल्की लड़की को लो, फाइन। एंड अदर जो है दो लेने हैं, दोनों को आईक्यू भी देखो उनकी, अगर कम अकल है, क्लमजी है, उसको मत लो। एंड डोंट डू दिस पहले के सेटिंग के हम सब बराबर बराबर करके चलेंगे तो इंप्रेशन ठीक आएगा, इन दो को ये लेंगी, इन दो को ये लेंगी। whenever you have such a discussion you say I will not do this because this is not a correct thing. I will call subordinates based on their competence for the job, and that is how it should be. Fine, this is one thing. And thereafter command task में yes people have this question कि मैं आगे खड़ा हूँ, पीछे खड़ा हूँ, मैं करूँ कि दूसरों से कराऊँ। All these things are nonsense. Whatever is best, that should be done. If you can do certain things better than others, do it. If you have a subordinate who can do something better than you, use him to do that. Fine. कहाँ खड़ा होना है, कैसे खड़ा होना है, कुछ नहीं पढ़ना, जिससे काम जल्दी से जल्दी हो जाए, that is what you should do. बिल्कुल लेना है सबऑर्डिनेट्स का, सलाह भी है। अगर आप फंस रहे हैं बिल्कुल कंसल्ट देम, दैट इज व्हाट टीम इज। वो जीटीओ बोलेगा कि विल यू डू लाइक दिस इन वॉर, तो यू शुड आंसर एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस आई विल डू इन वॉर, बिकॉज वी हैव टू विन द वॉर एंड नॉट से दैट माय इंप्रेशन शुड बी बेस्ट। फाइन, गॉट द आंसर? अच्छा, गुड, ओके।
Sir, I have a question. Sir, when the GTO briefs us about the command task and then he tells us to call subordinates, sir, at that point of time, can we ask him for a minute or two to analyze the structure and then call the subordinates accordingly?
अरे दिख गया है तेरे को ऑब्स्टिकल, दिमाग में सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पता चलता रहता है, कुछ तो आइडिया हो ही जाता है। बुला लो यार, तुमने कितना सोचोगे? How many times you been to SSB?
Sir, two.
दो बार यार, तीसरी बार जा रहा है तो you went through the complete process.
Yes, sir.
तो कितना टाइम लगता है यार डिसीजन लेने में?
सर, क्योंकि सर उस वक्त तो जीटीओ हमें ऑब्स्टेकल के पास ले ही नहीं जाता, वो साइड में घुमा रहा होता है।
हाँ,
तो सर जब हम आते हैं तो जस्ट इन केस,
तो हल्का और अकलमंद तो डिसीजन पहले से लेके रख ले फिर।
यस सर।
बस
सर क्योंकि कुछ केसेस में सिर्फ एक सबऑर्डिनेट की जरूरत होती है।
अगर एक है तो वो भी अगर हल्का और अकलमंद हो तो ठीक ही होगा।
यस सर।
तो ले लेना, ठीक है। या
Sir, if the commander in the command task asks me, I am the subordinate here, asks me to give a solution to him. So should I give him if I am having it?
where is the doubt? अरे where is the doubt यार?
Okay, sir, got the answer.
हाँ,
We are the subordinate and the commander is not asking us for the solution and he is stuck there. Can we suggest idea?
देखो पूछे तो दो, नहीं तो आइडिया तो कोशिश तो करो ना लगाने की, लगा दो वैसे ही फट्टा फुट्टा जहां से लग के बन पा रहा हूं। कैन इट बी डन और नॉट? इन इंग्लिश यू सी देयर आर टाइम्स when you know how the plan can be fitted. The commander is not giving that order, you fit it yourself. If it gets fitted, will the commander not accept it?
Yes, sir.
That is there. You try to help him out, no? GTO may shout at you, why are you doing all that? He says, sir, by chance it is, no? You should help out people. He's your team member. Like I told you the first thing, be a good team man. Yeah, the good team man is he'll like to help all commanders. Otherwise, you should be like how present this thing is, governments and all that. Then you try to show him in poor light, that he can't do it. That's a stupid way of doing things. Yeah. Does solving maths and reasoning problem enhance our ability to analyze structure in GTO tasks? Well, it is not so much like that, because it will improve, because whenever you're doing such things, your abstract reasoning ability is improving. And after all, that is the mental faculty which would be utilized in solving practical problems also. Like group planning exercise got practical problem. Theoretical knowledge is not much relevant, but some amount of theoretical background knowledge is pertinent, that how police functions, how railways function, what is the communication, I mean, how much time a vehicle will take and such like things are there. More or less practical stuff. So, generally these things would be facilitated by your practical experience in life. Fine. That would be more pertinent rather than the abstract theoretical things. Fine. So, it will not be a great help as per me. It will be of some help, but not major. In lecturate, if I get 3 topics and I have no idea about any of them, you're a great chap. What can I do? Shri Hari Ravi Chandra. Then you should ask the GTO, sir, do I have an option of speaking on a topic which I prepared from home and came? I can't speak. I have not seen any such candidate in my career. When I attended SSB, no one was like that. And when I spent my 2 years in the selection system, I never came across any candidate who came up with such a thing. There are topics like love marriage and all that, or anyone can speak. At least one topic is like that, on which anybody can speak.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Fine. So this contingency doesn't arise. The GTOs are very sensible people. They keep such topics that, and if such a candidate is coming in front of the GTO, this test would be coming at a quite a later stage. So he may probably arrange a topic on which this guy can also speak. ठीक है ना? Yeah. ये बात है, वो select नहीं होगा definitely, no doubt about that. But at least he'll be able to speak something. Okay. What if we don't get an idea in PGT and command task? क्या चीज आ गई? TAT blank हो गया देखकर. So see where the blank can get fitted. If it is not getting fitted, what contraption you can create to get it fitted. Now, one thing I will tell you, you can think about it. Apply the logic. Let us say you have, most of you would have used a scooty or a motorcycle or something. Sometimes you would have used this.
Yes, sir.
You have used, so you know. Now, if you take it for repair, now you see this repair guy, Salim, Kalim and all that. They are not brilliant people, but you find that they find out the fault very quickly. You notice that?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Because they work as per a logic, and the logic is that they work on a sequence. Okay, first let us see whether the petrol flow हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. तो वो देखेंगे पेट्रोल फ्लो हो रहा है, चेक करेंगे ट्यूब में कहीं बबल एयर वो तो नहीं आ गया, कहीं एयर डॉक नहीं हो गया. So once they see that, so they know this problem has been solved. तो फ्यूल सप्लाई आ रहा है, फिर नेक्स्ट डे विल कम, तो ये पेट्रोल वाली ही होती है. नेक्स्ट डे विल सी कि यार स्पार्क प्लग ठीक काम कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा, विल दे चेक इट, दे सी उसका गैप ठीक है कि नहीं, उसमें कोई गड़बड़ तो नहीं हो रही, मिसफायर तो नहीं हो रहा है. फाइन. सो इन दिस मैनर दे हैव अ मेंटल सीक्वेंस कि इस सीक्वेंस में इफ आई कीप चेकिंग I will be able to detect the fault and then rectify it. So you create in your own mind that since 95% of the time the plank's one end has to be secured. So you see, is there some wedge in which this plank can be fitted? If it gets fitted, good. If it is not getting fitted, it may be getting fitted, it will be loose, it will be touching the ground. Then you see, can I push something in between? Can I tighten it by using the lock? Can I tighten it by using the rope? Or is there something above in the structure available on which I can tighten the rope or something, and in that I can fix this plank? So start looking at options and do them in a sequence, so that once you have thought through one thing, then don't come back to that. It is like when you know what happens when you are trying to open a lock with a key. A person who panics is one person who will not be able to open the lock. A person who remains calm and is trying to feel whether the the levers have been properly engaged in the lock, and he gently is trying to move and feeling that he will be able to do it. Are you getting the idea? So don't panic. Look at the options, and once you've thought about an option, you realize that it has been exhausted and not going to work, then don't go back to it. Go back, move ahead to further options. Think of that. And often you will find that you may not be having ideas straight away. By trial and error, you will be able to get the idea. Fine. Keep your mind open and do that. And teamwork. When you are trying to solve, someone else may get a quicker idea on seeing something how it is working. Have you got the point? Major issue is not to panic. And if you feel you are likely to panic, see these things on YouTube. There are a lot of these solutions given. Fine. So see that and get mentally prepared afterward. It is not that there are inexhaustible types of solutions and obstacles. कुछ छोटे मोटे वही चीजें हैं वहाँ फिर आके. Fine.